So in gaming laptops, you can see WASD keys are shown in different color, and in this video we discuss how to use this WASD keys while gaming. So you can see that this is your left hand, and in this left hand you can see this is the thumb, then this is the index finger, this is the middle finger, this is the ring finger, and this is the pinky finger. So you can press this index finger, this one, the second finger in your left hand. You must press this index finger on this D. So it is used for moving towards the right. Then you can use this middle finger to press the W or S. So you can press W or S, that is you can move it towards forward by pressing the W, or by pressing this S key backwards. Then if you want to move towards the left, you can see this is the ring finger, the fourth one. So you must press it on N. So for pressing this, you must use the index finger for touching the D. Then this ring middle finger, you can press either this W or S, and your ring finger should be in A. So the ring finger should be in A, the index finger should be in D, and this middle finger should either be in W or S. Then also the pinky finger you can use for control or shift at the same time. So in this your keyboards without this dedicated keys, again you can use the same procedure. That is, your index finger should be in D, and the middle finger should either be in W or S, and this ring finger should be in A. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, subscribe. Thank you.